Hey guys, and welcome to scorpionnART. Today we will learn to draw HULKBUSTER. So first of all you need to make it shape. So make a base like this. We will make it a little dark and then a semicircle. Then to make its shoulder, there is slanting line and then make a box. Continue this line and make the another box. A little pointed at this side. Okay, that's fine. Now extend this part a little till here and then we will continue this one. Make a slanting line, get it down a little broader this part, and then from here make a slanting line in which line should be in the level of this, and then connect this both. Make one more slanting line just below it and connect them. Now make the center a half circle here. Now cover this half circle with two lines like this and one more time, and then extend this part with a cross line and then straight. Get a base for it, and from this joint make a slanting line and then little more tilted and like this. Then one more line here and join this both, one line and two line. Now we will add some things here in between, so rough this out, one here and one here. Make like this two lines and a straight line and connect this. Do the same thing here, straight line, connect this. Now we will add again one thing here in this part. Rough it out. Here make a line, slanting line lower than this and here above it. Connect it like this, and two lines in between. The middle one should be smaller. Then a little cross, this also. Join it and this middle one will be small. And it is done. We have almost done with the upper part. Now we will move for the lower part of the HULKBUSTER. Continue this line and then make a 90-degree angle like this. Then a cross line and make it a base. Make one more line which is parallel to this one, and up also parallel to this part a line, and from here also. Make an arrow like structure over here and then connect these two parts and like this. Now make a half box here and from here to here a line, and then connect these two with a line, and it's done. Now time for its legs. Make a little tilt line and then straight down. Here also a bit more tilt line and straight down. Here no tilt line, just move it down like this. We will make it a little dark. Okay, now make a rhombus like here, and then from this point move the line down till here and then finish it up like this. Continuation on this level, make a line here, a smaller line, and then take it up. End it with the base and then make two bands, first and here second. Now we will make its lower leg. For it like this and like this. Then take it down here also and a little more tilted, more down, the same here, and connect these two like this and like this. Now make the same line as this here, and we have to make a whole line in between like this. Make a center line to make the hole much easier. Two lines straight down and the base. We will fill the hole later, and then connect this with these borders like this here and here. You can rough the middle line, it's no use now. Now the foot, continue this a little and down. here make a curved line like this. Do not connect this both, only till this much, and then choose its middle point and make a line down, a little curve, and then a little more curve, down, a little curve, and then a little more curve. Okay, like this. And there from here like this and like this. Then from here also same, straight line, a little curve and a little more curve. Connect this and then down, connect this part also here like this, make a square and then slanting line and then finish. Connect this two, then here also base, and then here also like this and like this. From this part make a line above and join here like this, a straight line and then a slanting. Now over here from this make a curve, just move in this form and then go curve again and finish. Connect this two and our foot is ready. Yeah, we missed this part here like this, and then from this point connect this to this like this, and then here, and then from here to this curve point, and then here. This one should be more slanting, sorry for that. Okay, and that is done. Make a semicircle over here and then a small full circle here, and our leg is almost ready. Now time for his hand. Now make a line like this, and then from here make a plate armor like thing, this straight, and then like this line, and then a curve like this, a little much, a little line, and then extend it more and connect this both, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that's fine. Then from this joint make a line in continuation like this, and from this part like this. Then join this both and this both, a little slanting and then straight, and here also a small straight line, move it little down and then join it, and then in between this both make a line here, one here, and then from here to the down like this, and from here to down like this. Connect this, and then we will move for the inner details. Here in this part make a small circle and then joint here and like this. In this point make a line like this, follow the same here and connect it, leaving a small gap in between. Then and now we will move a little deeper in this. From here make a line like this, cross, a little more tilt and a little more, and then follow this path to make a line like this, like this, like this, like this and like this. Join the joints here, here, here and here. Make a one more line from here, a tilt, and then follow it. Here also join this and then like this line, and then make a line from here to this point, this one line and this second line, one more here, short one, and then a box. Now in this part, in the center make a box, and then connect this to this like this, and then the same line here, upside also, connect this both and then like this, and it's done. Now in this part make a line just like this from here, then tilt it over there, and then here also like this line, straight and then tilt, make a slanting line here And then we have to make a cubed like structure over here. Firstly make a square, connect, and then down also like this, and it's done. Here also the same line like this, and then a stair like structure, the same here, connect it, and it's almost done. Over here make a line from this to this point like this, and from this to this point like this. Now we will make the fingers. Continue this path straight and a little tilted, and from here also straight and a little tilted, and end this up. From here also straight and a little tilted. Rough a little of this part, make a line here like this, and then a slanting line, and from here also, and join it. Now from this part like this, and then join it, and we got its fingers. Now we have to paste this part over here exact same. For this you need to first dark these lines. Okay, this much dark is fine. Now what you have to do is fold this paper like this and apply pressure on it by scrubbing it on nails like this. Do it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you will get the exact this to here. See, it is the same. Then what you have to do, just dark it, and all is done. But the face, the inner side of the face, make a curve over here, then like this line, the same here also, and then one more curve line here, and also here, a box like here, and then here also connect it, the same line like here but a little pointed on the both sides, and then at last the eyes like this, from this point a line the same here, and then at end of the eyes. And here is our HULKBUSTER ready. Our HULKBUSTER is ready, but you can add some more features in it.
Your point is an elephant.